Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no. Okay, so it will be quick yes or no questions. So you can ask any question to the spirits and angels. So they will guide you and they will give you the proper answer. Okay, so this is not done from 2 weeks. Then I thought I'll do it today. This will be definitely helpful for many people who are in confusion or who wants to know the answer. So for them it will be definitely useful. So we will do that today. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for motivating me, supporting me throughout my journey. Welcome to new subscribers, and I can see some of you are seeing the videos but you are not subscribing. I request you all to like my videos if you like it. So definitely one like is uh, to be given from your side to help me, because once you like my videos it will be promoted or it will be reached to many people like you. So it will be helpful for many people also who are in confusion or who are in a trouble. Okay, so that's the reason I request you all to like my videos, then share and subscribe to my channel. So please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody. So please take it whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so today what I will do is I will shuffle the cards and I will arrange the cards. It will take some time, so I will fast forward so that we no need to waste much time, because many of the viewers, they want live shuffling the cards and they want to see the live cards. Okay, okay, so that's the reason I will do it for those viewers. Okay, so if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Without wasting much time, let's start the reading. So today I'll take 6 files. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, so these are all the piles we have separated. I've taken the cards for you. So first one is peach moonstone, then next black tourmaline, then pink rose quartz, then lapis lazuli, tree agate, and clear quartz. So you can choose any one, whichever you are intuitively connected with, or if you need more time, you can pause the video and you can meditate on the pile to select the pile. Okay, I will keep them in sequence so that I can go one by one in sequence. Okay, let me take out the cards. Whoever chose this peach moonstone, this reading is for you. A quick yes or no. So whatever question is there in your mind, we will ask spirits whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, let's see. 10 of Cups and the Lovers. Okay, so maybe you are asking about the family. So definitely I can see that you are asking about love relationship related question. Maybe you are asking about will I reconcile with this person, or he or she loves me or not, whether they are soulmate, my soulmate or not, is it destined connection or not. So many questions, but I can see definitely this is related to the love or family, marriage related. Will I get to married to this person? So something like that. But as you know, Ten of Cups is a very very positive card for the family and marriage and relationship. Okay, so then lovers also, you both are soulmates. If you are asking about a particular person, universe is saying that you both are soulmates and you both are destined to be together, and angels are guiding this connection. Even though if you are not taking any action, angels are guiding it. They are protective about you. And the Ten of Cups is a very very positive card, so that means you both will get married and you will have a beautiful family and you will not have any problems. So the answer is big yes. But let's see the advice or guidance card or final card, which is Empress. Okay, so many of you will be abundant and you will be pregnant of this person's child. Okay, Empress means it is nothing but abundance. Okay, so you have everything whatever you need to have. The answer is all the three cards are very very positive, and you know that in front of you only I shuffled the cards and I took the cards out. Okay, and I am also confirming that definitely this question will be love related, or for some of you it is related to wealth or family possession, whether you will get it or not, that kind of a question. But definitely the answer is big yes, 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 yes. Very good friends, and congratulations. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Whatever question is there in your mind, whether it is yes or no. Let's see. Let's ask the spirits. Five of stars and 10 of swords. Okay, so definitely this is related to some emotions or connections. Okay, so the I can see that you have some fight or issue with some person. Maybe you are asking, will I reconcile with this person, or will the fight end between us, or whether this person will understand my feelings, something like that. But definitely this connection is ended, friends. I can see that whatever connection, or you have really a bad fight or conflict between a person, the person you are asking about, or if you are asking about any job related. Okay, so this is like ended. Okay, that chapter is closed, and there is a dead end of this connection, or a dead end of this termination of the job. Okay, so both the cards are like a conflict and ending. So the answer will be no, but still we will see one more card. See the this one also, it is Hanged Man. Okay, Hanged Man means you are not able to move this side or that side, completely you are hanged, and your situation or whatever question is there, that is also kind of hanged. You need to release it. You are not releasing that particular person or a situation. Okay, so you are not releasing, you are emotionally you are bonded with that person, but still the other person has moved on. Okay, so other person is he or she, they feel that this relationship definitely is ended. So the answer is no, friends. Sorry to say this, but if you some in some way, like it will definitely guide you to move on, or to leave the current situation, whatever it is. Okay, so that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Whoever chose this rose quartz, this reading is for you. Whatever question is there in your mind, whatever question you are asking to spirits, we will see the answer yes or no. Okay. Okay, nine of stars and the moon. Okay, so nine of stars means it is pain, like you are not able to sleep at night, lot of tension, anxiety, depression, repentance. Okay, and the moon also, it has lot of negative meaning, like it is definitely so many hidden secrets are there which you are not aware of. Okay, or if you are asking about any relationship or something, but you are suffering, or other person is suffering, but there are family involvement is there in this connection. If you are asking about any connection, okay, and your mother or their mother is involved in this connection and they are spoiling the connection, or they have some psychological issues which if you are asking about a person, they have some sleep disorder or not able to sleep. So the answer will be definitely no. If you are asking about a person, is this person good for me, or will this person marry me, or if you are asking about any wealth related, universe is saying that you will have lot of sleepless nights, anxiety, tension. You don't know many secrets of hidden secrets, and you don't know what exactly will happen. So always you will be suffering, you will be thinking negatively. Okay, so these both cards are not at all good. Let's see the last one guidance card, the death. Okay, so definitely death means it is a death and rebirth. It can reborn again, but as of now this is no card, friends. And overall the reading, I mean whatever the question you ask, the answer will be no only, because there are many things are involved. Maybe the addictions are involved, or maybe health issues. Okay, there are many factors are involved in this situation, so definitely the answer will be no. Sorry, friends. If you like this reading, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. Whatever the question you asked, so is it yes or no? Six of stars and knight of swords. Okay, so I can see here that you are asking about a travel or a movement or a relocation or a job. Okay, so you are asking something not related exactly to about connection or a love or a marriage, but you are asking about the job, career. Okay, so you want to get stability in your current situation, whatever it is. So that is the reason you asked that related question. But we can see here, sorry, it is four of stars. Okay, then this is kind of a maybe card. Okay, because you are praying God that you should get this offer, or you are praying God that this person should come back to you. But there are some things involved, like some conflicts are there, or some threats are there, or some fears are there which you are not able to come out of. That is the reason you both are not able to come into contact. If you are asking about a relocation or any kind of a job offer, so this is not advisable for you. The answer will be maybe, because it is not at all clear, because you have so many fears inside you. Once you clear all the fears and all the doubts, then only you can move ahead. Okay, knight of swords means it is like you definitely you will be moving fast ahead, but not right now. Okay, so knight of swords means definitely you are full of enthusiasm, or you want to start something new, and you want to relocate, you want to go to a specific place. Okay, and if you are asking about a person, will he or she contact me or not, definitely they will contact you, but at the same time the result will be not like as you wish. Okay, maybe you are thinking that, oh, okay, this person will call me or text me and propose me. So that kind of things will not happen. Definitely this person will communicate, contact with you, or they will travel and come to see you, but don't expect that they will commit to you. But anyways, we will see the final card. So the lovers. Okay, so definitely this person, whoever you are asking about, any person, particular person or connection, lovers card represents that you both love each other. This is mutual, this is not one sided. And definitely leave everything on God. Okay, so even though lovers card is there, lovers card is very very positive card. Okay, but the answer will be maybe. Why? Because this four of stars card is there. Four of stars means it is like you're not sure about this person or not sure about this connection. You have many fears or doubts, but universe is saying that no, no, this is mutual and it is not one sided. Okay, so if this kind of maybe card, but it one thing is sure, that if you are asking any love related question, the answer is yes. But if you are asking about any travel or something, it is maybe. Okay, if for the clarification you can choose any other pile also to get the perfect answer. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Whatever the question is there in your mind, we will see yes or no. Spirits, please tell us yes or no. Okay, Ace of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. Okay, so you want something to start anew. You are asking about, actually I can see you are asking about money related question, or you are asking about some job which you want to start a new business, or you want to go for a new job, but it is in a hanged man position. So universe is saying that it is not right now. There is a new beginning around the corner, but this is not the right time for you to think, because right now the things are stuck. Definitely it will happen in future, but not right now, not immediately, not very soon. Okay, it will take time, but the definitely you will have a new beginning. If you are asking about a person, or if you are asking about will I get married, yes, definitely one person will come into your life, and you will be married. If you are asking about the old person, the things are like hanged, because maybe some things should be cleared between you, then only you can have a new beginning. But for the confirmation, we will see the card, definitely the Judgment. Okay, so the answer is definitely yes now, because even though the Hanged Man card is there, Judgment is telling that you will be reconciled, but don't expect that it will happen today, tomorrow, or next week, next month. Okay, it will take some time, but definitely the judgment will be passed. If you are struggling for finance for long time, judgment will be coming and you will receive your money. If you are asking about I'm not getting a good job from so long, then definitely judgment will happen in your favor and you will get the job. And you are saying that my boss is not paying me the salary for so many days, it is hanged man condition, then what to do? Then definitely the judgment will come in your favor and you will get the your salary back. Okay, so the answer will be yes for this pile. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. Whatever question you have in your mind, we'll see whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, the Hanged Man and the Tower. Okay, so definitely you can see the answer is no, friends. You are asking whether I will remarry, or will I marry my person, whoever you are thinking about, or will we reconcile, or if you have separated from your spouse, and maybe it reached to divorce situation. So you are asking whether it will happen or not. Okay, so the answer will be no, because both cards are very negative cards, and something very drastically unexpectedly will happen, and that is not in favor of you, because this is Hanged Man and Tower, both cards are together, paired up together. So definitely the answer will be no. Why? Because something unexpectedly will happen regarding the question you are asking, and it will be giving the negative results. Okay, because right now you are not able to move anywhere. It is like a hanged man position, and you cannot move ahead also, you cannot go back also. That kind of a situation, lingering situation you are in. Okay, so definitely the tower means something unexpectedly fiery things will happen. Maybe some big fight might happen, and which will turn your life upside down. Okay, which is not a good sign. Okay, but still we will see one guidance card, the star. Okay, so this is kind of a maybe, because the star card is a hope. The universe is saying that don't lose your hope. Okay, still there is a chance, because the star means you are kind of you will be in a good position. So whatever you are asking, maybe you are asking about any relationship, or anything like job, travel, whatever it is, you will be in a very good position. But don't expect that it will happen very soon, or don't expect that it will happen in your favor as of now. So the answer will be like kind of maybe, because first two cards are no, definitely. But star means it is maybe, like there is a hope actually. So you can pray God, you can leave everything to the universe and God, they will decide. Because as of now, even won't happen also in your life, the answer will be no also. You will be in a good position, you don't, no need to worry about that. Okay, so even if you are not getting a good job, you will get another job. Even if you are not getting married to this particular person, definitely you will find somebody very good, or your soulmate you will find, and who will take care of you nicely, and you will be very rich and famous, or a kind of a celebrity. Okay, so don't worry, this is the answer is maybe. If you want, you can choose another pile and see. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. Then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye.